Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to pay a vendor bill in QuickBooks Online using the new ACH partnership with Melio. I'm not 100% sure that's how you pronounce it. So the way that you'll find out if your account is actually enabled for this particular new feature, because it hasn't yet rolled out to everyone, if you enter a vendor bill into your QuickBooks Online account, and if you come over and you see, if you go to pay this bill and you see schedule online payment, you may or may not have this big pop-up box. This is the first time I've logged into my account to actually go in to schedule one. So if you see that, then you know that your account is enabled. The very first time that you do it, or even on subsequent times, you would click that schedule payment. And you'll see here in a moment when the screen loads, I've actually already connected my business checking account to this new integration, this new payment option. So if you had not yet set it up, of course you wouldn't see your bank account there. So you do need to set it up. They do send the tiny deposits that you need to verify in order to actually confirm that that's a bank account that you have. So in this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and hit that I want to pay the vendor with my business checking account. You do also have the option to connect a debit card and a credit card here as well. Then go ahead and click continue once you've made the selection that you want. And then how would Michelle like to receive this payment? I don't really know why anyone would want a paper check, but just in case, that's an option. So in this case, I will say ACH. And here you would enter in the routing number, the bank account number. You just have to add that in just one time for the person. And then you would save it, and then you'd continue through the process. However, well, let's just see. So I have to put 9 numbers here for the routing number. Is that 9? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is obviously all just, no, I don't want to save it because I don't know how to change it. So you would enter the information in there, click the save bank details, and then you'd want to proceed through the rest of the process. It's super easy to do. One tip I will give you is, let me go back here. Okay. Open this bill back up. Whatever you have here for the payment date, so in this case, I'm set up as a vendor for net 30. So it's showing that this bill is due by the end of April. Whatever date is set up in the bill is the date that they will try to process the payment. It does actually take a few days because it is ACH. So make sure that you adjust the time appropriately so that you can make sure that you don't pay people late and whatever and whatnot. So it will default throughout the payment process on whatever the due date is here. You can, of course, choose a date earlier or later, but never earlier than what the system will allow you. So for example, if I tried to pay this today, it would take a couple of days, probably the 17th or maybe even the 18th before it would allow the payment. So you'll see it though. It's like super easy. You absolutely will love this. I highly recommend that if your account has been enabled for this, go ahead and take it even if you never use it, because Intuit does have a history of launching things for free and then later changing their mind and charging for them, or launching them and then later on not allowing new people to sign up. So highly recommend, go ahead and grab it now if it's available. Use it to pay someone if you want. Again, it's ACH, it'll only work in the United States, but at least this gives you a free option to pay your vendors in the United States with the ACH.